Hi, everybody. It's meteorologist Sean Sublett for the Fredericksburg Free Press. Time for the winter storm update for this Friday, January 23rd. We set up with the timing, and things are still pretty quiet for this Friday. We have sun and clouds, and it's in the upper 40s. Then the much colder air is going to start to drain into the Fredericksburg region starting on Friday night. We'll go down into the teens by first thing on Saturday morning, and that does come with a pesky north wind. So a lot of Friday night late is going to feel more like it's in the single digits. We still think the snow is coming, but right now we suspect it's going to wait until after dusk on Saturday. So the daylight hours of Saturday, while cloudy, breezy, and very cold, staying in the low 20s, it looks like you've got some things to get finished up on Saturday. You're going to be okay. Then the snow arrives Saturday evening, lasts into the first part of Sunday, and then changes over to ice, and it stays in this kind of icy mess where it all winds down sometime on Sunday evening. So again, the snow moves in on Saturday night, continues into Sunday morning. Regarding how much snow, we think it's about 4 to 8 inches of true snow before that changeover to ice, and once that changeover happens, there'll be no more accumulating snow. The concern is that we might have up to about half an inch of ice during Sunday afternoon. Sun goes down, that stuff begins to weigh down the trees, it begins to weigh down the power lines, some of the tree limbs begin to snap, and then we're more concerned about power outages, especially going westward out of Fredericksburg into the more rural locations. It's not very difficult to see some trees coming down over some rural roads, and people aren't able to access them for 2 or 3 days at least. And with it being very cold next week, upper 20s during the afternoons, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, nights way down into the teens. Very concerned. If there are power outages and people stranded without heat, it'd be a very difficult situation. So please be safe out there. Take the appropriate precautions. Be ready to be without power for a couple of days after this weekend. This reminder, go to the Fredericksburg Free Press website and sign up for the daily newsletter. Stay warm and stay safe.